Building a new home is a big investment, and how do you choose a builder that you can trust to build your new home? We've built over 300 houses in the last 12 years and completed every single one, so we are a safe bet. We're Jennian Homes Southland, owned and operated by myself, Carl Hamilton, and my brother Shane.
We design and build houses across Southland, from Gore to Tiana and everywhere in between. I remember back when I was studying architectural design and visualising the designs I'd come up with coming to life. And now being able to do that for our clients brings a real buzz and one of the best parts of the job. It is so important at the early stages of the design process to try and get your house designed the way you want it and within your budget, because it is going to be the house you live in and it needs to work for you and your family. Our experienced team can guide you through this important process, right through to handing over the keys to your newly finished home.
One thing that we love is seeing the smile on our clients' faces as they walk through their front door for the very first time. It's a massive journey building a new home, and we love being part of that journey with our clients, right from the start of the design process, picking all the fixtures and fittings and then putting them all together. There is nothing more rewarding than knowing you have helped design and create a unique space for our clients that they love.
Jennian Homes is a building company that offers comprehensive new home solutions. As a custom design builder, we specialise in designing our homes for our clients that suits their lifestyles and personalities. Myself being a qualified architectural designer and Carl being a qualified builder, together with our team we are the perfect choice to guide our clients through the whole process from design to completion of their dream home. Reliability and experience define our foundation. It is important to us when our clients walk into their home at the end of the build that they can say that this is exactly what they envisaged from the start. We have the backing from a national brand with over 40 years experience of building award-winning homes across the country. With a wealth of knowledge and experience from an award-winning building brand, we can share our expertise and support our clients to build their dream homes.
Our team is committed and passionate about the industry and getting the best outcome for our clients. From the design process to the colour selections, to construction and advice on site to get the best results for our clients. Our contractors are local and loyal, and some have been working with us for more than 10 years, so they know the quality we expect. We have a great working relationship and stand by every house we build with them.
We're passionate and take pride in every house we build, so our clients can enjoy their new homes for many years to come.